Hey, what's going on Facebook? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors here, and we're here in Corona Del Mar, and it's pretty much day two for us. Not too big of an area, about 650 square feet total. But let me go ahead and turn this thing around, show you guys what we got. We got everything sanded down, and we're getting ready to stain. So let me go ahead and turn this thing around. Everything's already been buffed, and see my guy kicking off his shoes. I'm about to get stained. Hold up, people. It's about to get loud, but everything's been buffed. Everything is ready for the stain. Got our guy right here vacuuming it up, cleaning up. Stains already been picked out. So everything looking really, really good. Nice and even. All right, so that's what we're looking at. Tomorrow, so probably in about an hour from now, they're gonna wet the floor right now, let it dry, pop that grain, and then we're gonna get the color on it, and then let it dry overnight. And tomorrow we'll come in, we'll do the first coat, and get everything all buffed out after that, and do a second coat, and then a third coat. So I'll do a video update tomorrow. You guys get a better look of what this looks like. So everybody have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.